Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can catch the taco fish to complete the fishing rod ingredients quest in Fish It game of Roblox new classic event update. Okay, let's get into it guys. As you can see that we need to catch the taco fish if we want to complete the fishing rod ingredients quest. And I'm going to show you where you can catch this taco fish. First of all, you're going to go to the classic island, of course, and you're going to fish at the classic island. But to catch the taco fish, you need to activate the raining taco weather like this. Now the raining taco weather is activated, so I can start to fish to catch the taco fish. And to activate the raining tacos, you need to use this retro disaster machine, and you need 5k TIX to activate this raining tacos. And this raining tacos will give you 200% luck. Okay, and let me show you the fish index. Okay, as you can see here guys, that you can catch the taco fish at the classic island, and this is a mythic fish. So yeah, good luck. I'm still working on it as well guys. I haven't catched this taco fish. Okay guys, and that's how we can catch the taco fish in Fish It game of Roblox to complete the fishing rod ingredients quest. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.